Bye bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm playing a dummy right now. If you guys see here, this is, if you're wondering, Rachel, what is this bird doing in your brother's house? Is he crazy? I say no. And this is my parrot. I traded with someone, and I traded with my giraffe because it's legendary, and parrot's legendary too. It's a fair trade, by the way. You see? Yeah, I just named it Heaven Hearts. When I got a parrot, I think I would wonder what should I name it. First, I named it the Flying Chicken Nugget, and I say that name was too silly, so I won't name it. Then second, I would name it Red Panda, and some people will say it's not a red panda, so I will just name it Heaven Hearts. Yeah, no one will judge now. And this is my brother. I don't know what he's doing, but he wants to be in my video. Of course he wants to be. Look, he flies. But I don't have a red potion though. This might be very sad. He flies. Ooh, look at that. He flies. He might turn into a ghost one day. I'm gonna go. Oh my god, this buff is too yellow. Oh, my eyes will burn it. I'm gonna sit here. Oh, I had no idea what happened. Wait, why are we floating? Why are we floating in a hot tub in mid-air? Adopt Me is very weird nowadays. We're floating. It's so weird. Morning time, my favorite day. Okay, Heaven Heart, Parrot, I don't know what to call you, Heart, let's see what kind of trick you got. Oh, you got no trick. Oh, I should send you to school like every single day then. Get you a trick. And my parrot is not for sale, because I know people now these days, when there's new pet, there's new legendaries. So when they come like this, ah, whoa, a parrot. Is this for sale? I said no. I said, can you read it? It's not for sale. People now these days wants to trade my parrot because it's legendary. Yeah, I hope today no one will trade me. Hope so. Ooh, who's Carriage over there? I wonder who it is. Princess Carriage. Ooh, someone have a parrot. Someone have the rideable parrot. That's cool. I have non-rideable one. Yeah, it's okay. At least it's a parrot. It doesn't have to be a rideable or non-rideable. Someone already trade me. I just wonder why though. Okay, now I'm in the playground. I'm gonna go to this big trampoline. Yeet! Okay, now I know that my parrot doesn't even follow me. Just follow me wherever I go. Actually, didn't even jump with me. So yeah, I'm gonna go to this big green slide. Jump in, and you get hurt, and you get hurt, and you get stuck too. You get hurt, and you might need to go to the hospital. So yeah. Now what should I do now? I should go in here. Forget to create family. thirsty and hungry. I think I will head home. Okay, now where's my parrot? I think my parrot got lost and he will never come back. Maybe he will. Just wait. Oh, right here. You spawn him again. In we go. This may take a while. Oh, I'm here. Oh wait. Oh wait, I've been to the wrong house. Whoops! It's not even my house. That was the wrong house. Sorry guys, I will get confused sometimes. Oh, it's my friend's house. Oh, I'm so silly. Well, if I have time, I can go into her house. And here she is, Blue Ang. Get off my house. What does that even mean? Girl, you should learn English more. What does that mean? Girl, whose griffin is that? Oh, a bird. Oh, he should be a perfect shelter for me. Yeah, go. Sometimes she's a bit rude, you know. Sometimes she wants to show off. VIP party, go party on. Okay, I will come then. I mean, why not? Why should I decline somebody's party? Yeah, what this party is? Can you go my party and my legendary house and please pay me? I don't know. Let's go. Hungry. Okay, just please don't hit me. Yes, thank you people, whoever in that red car. Luckily no one's gonna hit me again. You know, adopt me sometimes. People hit each other. They didn't even say sorry. Okay, I come to this party, and why is this party? Let me go explore a little bit. Oh, it's this girl. Okay. I don't want to be a family. I already have a family with you. I have a family. No, I don't even invite my brother. I don't know why. War money free. I'm just gonna stand here and just take people want to straight me. Yeah. Right, girlfriend. Sorry, I don't want your right girlfriend. I'm okay with my life. I'm okay and I'm fine, and I don't need your right girlfriend. I don't need anything. All I need is myself and my parrot going crazy like they ever do. The best thing that ever happened. Ooh, bed. No pet bed. What's that? Okay, what about this one? This is for my parrot, and this is for me. Yes, why not? It's for me. So this is like a tree. I think I can make these. Somebody explain why is my body floating? Why is this so invisible? I have no idea why. Sometimes dummies can be silly. Oh, it's my friend party. Rate my house. Day 100 to enter. It's hard work for me. I got a trick for this. You know what? I'm going to go to her party, and I have a trick for this, guys. You need to know. I mean, every single body needs to know. I will ask for my brother for help, cause he's a helpful brother I have. Cause he's the best. I mean, everyone's the best. She worked hard. I don't know if I am or not. Okay, my parrot's here. I think this way. The ID9, the GPS. Never mind, I will know the way. I'm so smart. Right here. Okay, my body's going camping right now. It's okay. I don't really need to know. Oh, she thinks. Okay. Justin, can you help me for a little bit? Can you teleport to me? I'm asking my brother for help. So I will have free entrance without no paying. Oh, she said I'm big for the channel. Okay. What's the name then? What's the name then? Oh, never mind. She knows the name. You know what, my brother? Turn into a dog, please. A big man. Big people. Big people. Can you be big people, please? Yes. Okay. And wait, the stroller. Any strollers you can? I hope. Oh, this crap as well. I'm not a pet though, but okay. Excuse me. Ah, you almost pushed me off. Okay, I need to add your family. Why not? Oh, you are my parrot. Parrot, get out of my way. Parrot, you're not happy. Okay. Can you push me? Push me. Can you? Ah, looks like we stuck again. Yes. Okay, now teleport to me to get. So guys, this is how you get free items with no paying and anything. So free. Look, even I was escape, and now my brother's happy. Oh, now she spawned a new house. Okay. I wonder how did she know my channel though? Some friends tell her. Yeah, I should be able to that. You guys did not pay. Get out. Wow, that's kind of rude. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure you guys to subscribe and hit that bell for notification so you won't miss out a video like this. Bye.